Hey, future scholars! The digital SAT exam on November 4th is fast approaching. Whether you're just starting out or fine-tuning your skills, we've got strategies to supercharge your prep. Let's unlock the secrets to conquering the SAT. Scores between 1,000 and 1,200. Dive into the essentials of algebra, geometry, and evidence-based reading and writing. Platforms like Khan Academy are fantastic, but for a real exam feel, try TutorWand's adaptive practice tests. Crafting a personalized study plan is crucial. Consistency is your ally. Immerse yourself in full-length practice tests, mirroring the actual exam atmosphere. Score between 1,200 and 1,400. Pinpoint your weaknesses. Engage in targeted practice, and consider leveraging TutorWand's topic-wise unit tests, available in varying difficulties, to refine specific areas. Time is of the essence. Enhance your speed and accuracy through timed practice sessions. TutorWand's diverse range of tests can be a game-changer in your preparation. Score between 1,400 and 1,600. Embrace advanced practice. Tackle challenging questions, and immerse yourself in TutorWand's mock practice tests. Their AI-analyzed reports offer insights akin to the College Board, providing a comprehensive review of your performance. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adapt, evolve, and strategize based on your continuous assessments and TutorWand's detailed feedback. Remember, the journey to SAT success is paved with perseverance and smart strategies. Stay motivated, and success will be yours. If you found these strategies beneficial, hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful study tips and exam guidance. Best of luck, scholars! You're destined for greatness.